Hi guys, it's been a long time. My role grew, and as you read the title of this video, which I'm not sure what's going to be exactly, I'm tired of being blonde. I'm over it. It's been 6 months, 7 months. I'm honestly tired of being blonde by this point. It's about taking care of it, and even if you're gonna dye your blonde hair, you're still gonna have to take care of it. Like, your problems are not gonna go away, but I'm just tired of it. I'm over it. I don't think blonde hair represents my personality. In my opinion, blonde hair is more like a nice, approachable person that is like happy all the time, while black is more like exotic, mean. Can relate more to that, honestly. I'm not like, you know what I mean. So we are going to dye my hair black, but actually, okay. So actually, the idea that I had at the beginning was to do like a balayage, not balayage. I just want to make like the root like until here. So I still have some blonde hairs at the bottom, but I thought that's kind of too hard, and I was going to do it actually something like this. I don't know. I might put the picture here if it's not clear. Something like this. I don't know. But the issue with this is that you're still blonde, and what if it's not like perfect? Like, honestly, I'm over it. I got 3 boxes of hair dye. L'Oreal. I know L'Oreal has flops. I hope these products are not flops. They're like the Excellence Fashion and the Excellence Cream. Whatever. So at the beginning, I wanted to put just the black on it, but people told me, watching video told me that you gotta put red on it. So I tried to mix it, and I did. Wait, let me okay guys, as you can see, I tried to mix all 3 of them and it didn't work. So I'm gonna make my hair red first, but I'm not gonna process it as much because I don't want to double process my hair, and I know hair dye box is just like hell for your hair after you bleached it. And then I actually wanted something between the level 1 and the level 3. I wanted level 2, but there was nothing, so I'm gonna mix the 1 and the 3 because I don't want to be fully black, and I don't want to be like this brown color. I want to be like the closest to mine that is almost black. So yeah, hi guys, I'm back. So basically the step number 1 says to basically put the protective pre-color on dry hair. How do you open it? First things first, you gotta do this thing that's gonna protect your hair. So it says you only put it at the ends because that's where your most damaged hair is. You grab it and like you start putting it all over your hair when it's dry, only at the tips. Okay, after that is set and done, you're supposed to mix the thing. So you're gonna grab the color. First we're gonna grab the red, and you're supposed to put it inside this bottle. And then mix it. I'm not gonna put all of it because I might not have enough. So in case, I will just mix it with my own developer. This is a developer. They give you this developer. So you're supposed to put all of it here. You mix it. You gotta mix it very hard. Like, you gotta work it, you know what I mean? Okay, the red color is only to have a base, because if you put brown or black directly to your hair, it's gonna be blue, it's gonna be green, it's not gonna look nice. You gotta have like the ugliest red on your hair first, you know what I mean? Okay, then you start, I guess. I will start by applying it here. Oh, I see, okay. Okay guys, so this is what my hair ended up looking like. And I'm red, I look like Ariel when she got divorced. You know what I'm saying? So, uh, my hair feels so dry and I think it was a bad idea. So actually I bought two. I bought black and brown. Let me show you guys. I bought black and brown. I was gonna mix them, but I'm not sure how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go with brown. I'm gonna go with brown, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough. Okay, so I'm gonna do the top of my head first. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna let it process for 30 minutes and I'm gonna show you the results. So this is what my hair ended up looking like. Today is the next day. After I dyed it, after I did dye it, I basically put on the little conditioner they give you for 30 minutes mixed with my hair mask, and then for another 30 minutes I just use my conditioner and it's just dry like this. This is how my hair looks like air dried. These are more natural colors when it's air dried, so I didn't put anything on it. And I want to show you guys, it's like a brown color. I think my natural color is a little bit darker, but I like it. I like the color. This is how it looks like. And I thought my hair was gonna be very damaged because I hear a lot of people say, once you dye your hair, bleach hair is gonna be very damaged. I actually don't see much difference. Of course I noticed some things, but overall I don't think it's much damage. I just think it's like the same, just a different color. It didn't do much to my hair. I just processed for 30 minutes, by the way. And as I say, yes, I miss having dark hair because you know, brown to black hair is more exotic in my opinion. I didn't feel like myself when I had blonde hair. I honestly don't feel like myself. And even now it's weird because I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, this is not my natural brown color, and I can notice. It's very close to it, but I can notice this is not my natural brown color. But I really like it because still I changed. My hair is not much damaged, the curls are there, so we're good. So let me know in the comments if you want more videos of my hair, which definitely you guys are gonna get more videos of my hair. Subscribe if you want vlogs, hair videos, any other kind of video you want me to do. We have a lot of things on this channel, and I'm sorry for being missing for such a long time. Not much though, it's not like 100% subscribers care that much. If you do, comment about it, and thank you, and I see you on the next video.